Hello, 7th standard students. Welcome back. We were discussing about the lesson linear equations in one variable. The worksheet 1, question number 21. It is z minus 1 by 3 is equal to 1 plus z minus 2 upon 4. Please, while writing the question, take care. Okay, so 1 it is the whole, then plus z minus 2 by 4. Okay, now it will be z minus 1 by 3. Now 1 you have to take it to the other side. Take it full, isn't it? So the LCM it is 4. So 1 means what? 4 by 4 plus z minus 2. Okay, now it is z minus 1 by 3. 4 minus 2 will be 2 plus z by 4. Isn't it? Now you got both the sides. Numerator, denominator is there. So it is cross multiplication. So 4 into this, 4 into, that is bracket open, z minus 1 is equal to 3 into 2 plus z. So now you have understood how to do the cross multiplication, isn't it? So 4 into z is 4z, minus 4 into 1 is 4. 3 2s are 6 plus 3z. Take z to the left side. 4z minus 3z, isn't it, is equal to 6. Minus 4 becomes plus 4. So 4 minus 3 is 1. So you are not writing z is equal to 10. So answer is 10. Now coming to check. It is LHS z minus 1 upon 3 is equal to 10 minus 1 upon 3. 10 minus 1 is 9 by 3. 3 1s are 3, 3s are, so you got 3 on LHS. Now coming to RHS. 1 plus z minus 2 by 4. That is 1 plus z is 10 minus 2 upon 4. It is 1 plus 10 minus 2 is 8 by 4. 4 1s are, 4 2s are, that is 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Isn't it? So you got LHS is equal to RHS. Hence, verify. Is it clear? So that was about the question number 21. Now coming to question number 22. It is 2x minus 3 is equal to 3 by 10. Bracket open, 5x minus 12. So it is 2x minus 3. Now you solve this 3 by 10 into 5x. So when you multiply 3 by 10 into 5, 5 1s are, 5 2s are. So it becomes 3 by 2x. Why? Did you understand? 5 1s are, 5 2s are. So it becomes 3 by 2. Minus, now 3 by 10 into 12. Now it is 10 and 12. It is 2 5s. In the denominator it will be 5s. Now 2 6s are 12. 6 3s are 18. Okay. So if you want, I'll write again here 3 by 10 into 5x. 5 1s are, 5 2s are. That is why 3 by 2x. Now here 3 by 10 into 12. 2 5s are 2 6s are, so 6 3s are 18 by 5. So this is the rough work for this. Okay. Now you got this much. Now take 2x minus 3 is equal to, solve this, 2 5s are 10. So 2 5s are 10, 5 3s are 15. Now here it will be 5 2s are 10, 2 18s are 36. Okay. Now cross multiply. So you can take this x, you can take here, and you can take the number this side, that also you can do, but here I have done directly. Okay, now it will be how much? 10 into this, isn't it? 10 bracket open 2x minus 3 is equal to, numerator will be 15x minus 36. Are you understanding this? First we took the LCM of this and we have solved and multiplied 10 into the numerator of LHS. Okay, now 10 2s are 20x minus 10 3s are 30. Now here it is 15x minus 36. Now x, take it to the left side, minus 15x. Now on the right side it is a minus 36. Now minus 30 will become plus 30. Now here it will be how much? 20 minus 15 is 5x is equal to minus 6. So x will be minus 6 by 5. So you got minus 6 by 5 is the answer. Okay, now coming to check LHS. 2x minus 3 is equal to 2 into minus 6 by 5 within the bracket minus 3. There is no cancellation, isn't it? So 6 2s are, it will be minus 12 by 5 minus 3. Okay, take the LCM. 5 minus 12 will be as it is, isn't it? Minus, here it is 1. So 1 5s are 5, 5 3s are 15. So it became how much? Minus minus, add, sign is minus, 15 plus 12, 5 plus 2, 7, 1 plus 1, 2. So you got LHS minus 27 by 5. Now RHS. 3 by 10 bracket 5x minus 12. Put the values. 3 by 10. Now 5x, it will be 5 into minus 6 by 5 within the bracket minus 12. Clear? Now this 5 gets cancelled. So it will be 3 by 10 bracket minus 6 minus 12. Now 3 by 10 into minus 6 minus 12 will be minus 18. Isn't it? Now it will be 2 table, isn't it? 2 5s are, 2 9s are. Now it will be minus 9 3s are 27 by 5. So you got LHS is equal to RHS, hence verify. Hope you understood 21 and 22 sums, isn't it? Okay, now coming to the 23 sum. 3 bracket open y minus 3 is equal to 5 bracket open 2y plus 1. So, open the bracket, 3 into y, 3y, minus 3 3s are 9. Now 5 2s are 10, y plus 5 1s are 5. Take y to the left hand side, to 3y, 10y becomes minus 10y is equal to 5, minus 9 becomes plus 9. So here it will be minus 7y is equal to 9 plus 5 will be 14. So y is equal to 14 by minus 7. 7 1s are, 7 2s are. It is minus 2. Answer is minus 2. Now coming to check LHS. 3 bracket y minus 3 is equal to 3 bracket minus 2 minus 3. It will be how much? 3 into minus 2 minus 3 minus 5. So, plus minus minus 3 5s are 15. So, you got LHS, RHS. It is 5 bracket 2y plus 1. 5 bracket, okay, you have to put a bigger one. So 2 into y is minus 2 plus 1. That is 5 bracket. This one will be minus 4 plus 1. Now 5 into minus 4 plus 1 will be minus 3. That is 5 3s are 15, but it is minus. LHS is equal to RHS. Hence, verify. Clear? Hope everyone understood. Now coming to the 24th sum. Here the decimals. So 0.6 x plus 0.8 is equal to 0.28 x plus 1.16. Take x to the left hand side. So this becomes minus 0.28 x. So it is 0.6x minus 0.28 x is equal to 1.16. Take it to the other side, it becomes minus 0.8. Okay, now it is a subtract 0.6 minus 0.28. Take extra 0. 10 minus 8 will be 2. Here it is 5 minus 2, 3. So it became 0.32x is equal to, now when you subtract, it will be 1.16 minus 0.8. This one will be 6. 11 minus 8. 11 minus 8 will be 3. Isn't it? So it is 0.36. Now x is equal to 0.36 upon 0.32. Now remove the decimal. How? Multiplied by 100. So it became 36 by 32. Okay, 36 by 32. It will be how much? 8s are 4 9s are 9 by 8. But now it is in the decimal. Question is in the decimal, so answer also should be in a decimal. So find out, it will be 8, okay, 9 and 9 divided by 8, that is 1 point extra 0 if you take, it will be 1s are 1, take 1 extra, so it will be 0.182 remains, extra 0, 2s are 16, 4 remains, that means 5. ये रफ वर्क आप खुद से करने का है. 9 divided by 8, it will be 1.125. So the answer is x is equal to 1.125. Okay, now coming to the check. LHS 0.6x plus 0.8. So when you multiply 0.6 into 1.125 plus 0.8, when you multiply, you will get 0.6750. 4 decimals, so 6750. So this 0 will be cancelled plus 0.8. Now you add, it will be, when you add, it will be 5, 7. Now 8 plus 6 will be 10, 14. Is 1.475. Now coming to the RHS, it is 0.28x plus 1.16. Okay, you put the value 0.28 into 1.475. 1.125. This one, isn't it? Sorry. 0.28 into 1.125 plus 1.16. Now it will be 0.12345. So here 5 decimals will be there. 31500. Okay, when you multiply, you will get 31500. Then 5 decimals. So 5 decimal, 5 places छोड़ के decimal point डालो. This gets cancelled. Now 1.16. Now you add, it will be the thousands place में 5. Then 6 plus 1 is 7. 3 plus 1 is 4 and 1. So आपका आया LHS is equal to RHS. Hence verified. ये मल्टीप्लिकेशन आप लोग खुद से करने का है. इधर और इधर मल्टीप्लिकेशन करके देखो. You will get the answer and the LHS and RHS will be same. So whenever the question is in the decimal, the answer also you have to write in the decimal. Okay, now coming to the last sum, that is 25th sum. 2.4 into 3 minus x minus 0.6 bracket open 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. Multiply 24 into 3. 3 4s are 12. 1 3 2s are 6 7. You got 7.2 minus 2.4 x minus this one 6 2s are 12. So it will be 1.2 x minus minus becomes plus 6 3s are 18. So it is 1.8 is equal to 0. Now this one will be minus minus. You have to add, isn't it? And the sign is minus 24 plus 12. It is 36 and it is 3.6 x. Now this one, when you add 8 plus 2, 10, 1, 8, 9. 9.0 is equal to 0. अभी ये नंबर को उस तरफ ले लो. Whenever 0 is there, take the number to the other side. That is minus 3.6x is equal to ये 9 उस तरफ. अभी 9 ही आएगा ना, 0 कैंसिल होगा. तो ये 9 इस तरफ आने के वक्त आएगा minus 9. Okay. Now x is equal to minus 9 upon minus 3.6. चलो अभी डिनोमिनेटर में डेसिमल, so multiplied by 10. Numerator and denominator. So minus minus becomes plus. 9 tens are 90 और डिनोमिनेटर का ये 36 होगा. Okay. Now 9 4s are 9 10s are, है ना. अभी 2 2s are 2 5s are, मतलब 5 by 2. 2 2s are 4. 1 remains. Extra 0 लेंगे तो 10. So 2 5s are 10. So answer is 2.5. X is equal to 2.5. Hope you understood this. Now coming to check LHS 2.4 bracket 3 minus x minus 0.6 bracket 2x minus 3. Okay, it is a 2.4 bracket open. It is 3 minus 2.5 minus 0.6. 2 into 2.5 minus 3. समझ में आ गए. एक्स्ट्रा ब्रैकेट ले लो. अभी इधर कितना आएगा 2.4. 3 माइनस 2.5 मतलब क्या है 0.5 है ना. 3 minus 2.5 will be 0.5 minus 0.6 इधर 2.5 into 2 मतलब 25 2s are 50. That means 5.0. This became 5 4s are 20. 5 2s are 10 11 12. That means 1 2 became 1.2 minus 0.6 into 5 minus 3 is 2. So now it is 1.2 minus 6 2s are 12. Again 1.2 is equal to 0. RHS is equal to 0. LHS is equal to RHS. Hence, verify. So here 2.4 into 3 minus 2.5 डालो minus 0.6, 2 into 2.5 minus 3. So when you solve this, 3 minus 2.5, 3 का मतलब 3.0, isn't it? 10 minus 5 will be 5, 2 minus 2 will be 0. So 0.5. Here you get 0.6, 25 2s are 50 or 1 decimal minus 3. So ये बनेगा 5 4s are 20, 2 in hand, 5 2s are 10, 12. So 1 2 decimal. So that 0 gets cancelled, it becomes 1.2 minus 0.6, 5 minus, this 0 also gets cancelled, 5 minus 3 is 2. So 0.6 into 2 will be 1.2. So 1.2 minus 1.2 is 0. Hope everyone understood. So we have completed the worksheet 1, all the 25 sums. So you know different types of sums are there. Please understand properly and solve it. And you have to write in the main book and immediately in the revision notebook. Hope everyone understood. Okay then, bye. Thank you. Take care.